family, welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to make for you some jerk chicken, and these are my ingredients. I'm going to walk you through while I go. And guys, while you're watching, give me a thumbs up, subscribe guys, and don't forget to ring that bell. Ring that bell, guys. Okay guys, let's get started. This is my chicken here. I had some of this jerk season on it, Grace jerk season on it overnight, and I'm gonna make some fresh sauce to throw over it. So I have here some scallion. Cut these up. This is thyme, ginger, garlic and pepper. I'm not using a lot of pepper. You don't have to use a lot of pepper. You can make it hot, mild, or even without pepper. If you don't eat pepper, you can make it, don't put the pepper in. Allspice, pimento seed, a little cinnamon. A little cinnamon powder. You don't want it to taste cinnamony. Okay, we're going to add some salt and pepper. No, not too much salt. We'll add the pepper. I don't think I'm going to add any salt in this because that's already salty. This already have a lot of salt. And I'm going to add soy sauce, so I don't need to put any add salt. This is some vinegar. This is white vinegar. Adding some soy sauce. Not too much. We don't want it too salty. And I'm adding a little canola oil. Smelling yummy, guys. So guys, I use two different sauce, like my fresh sauce along with this. You can also put jerk seasoning on it. I don't have the jerk seasoning. I'm just working with what I have. Doesn't matter. Okay guys, I did add a little molasses to it. I should put it in my sauce when I was blending it, but I didn't, so I just had it over my chicken. I'm gonna cover with foil, and I catch it back here. Okay guys, this is steamed. I'm gonna put it on the grill now. It's going back in the oven. I catch it back here. Okay guys, this is gonna make my sauce. I'm gonna strain it off in here. I'm adding some ketchup. Wait, let me add some of this jerk sauce. Just a little bit more. Enough, and some ketchup. I'm just eyeballing. That is enough. I'm gonna cook this to about half the way down, and I catch it back here. Okay guys, this is done. This is my sauce here. I'm gonna sauce it up. Okay guys, I'm gonna set this up and come right back. Here we go guys. Guys, while you're watching, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell. Ring that bell, guys. Juicy, yummy jerk chicken. Jamaican jerk, guys. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. God bless you. Take care. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Love you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.